Welcome back to our Unit 3 Day 2 worksheet. We're on video 2. We might even get up to 3 videos for this worksheet here. We're again talking about functions versus relationships. I want to remind you, functions have that rule on who can and cannot cheat, and relationships just have connections. So, let's look at this right here. Quickly, I know that my first side here is going to be the input side. So, let's label this as my inputs. And this over here is going to be my outputs. Now the collection of all inputs is called the domain. And the collection of all outputs is called the range. So our first question is this a function? Well, let's remind ourselves. Functions say that inputs cannot cheat. Okay? So that means that if I want to figure this out, all I have to do is test my inputs. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to look at number 1. Number 1 is in one singular relationship, so he's good. Number 3, she is in one singular relationship. Right there, she's good. She has only one arrow coming off. 5, one arrow, so he's good. 7, one arrow, so he's good. I know you might be thinking, Mr. Sinclair, you missed something. You messed up. Let's just write yes function, and then I'm going to jump back over there, and we're going to address the elephant in the room, which is number 4 right here seems to be a cheater. So even though number 4 is a cheater, number 4 is cheating, why is this still a function? The answer is that number 4 is an output. Outputs are allowed to cheat. It doesn't matter if outputs have more than one input. What matters if inputs have more than one output. Okay? So we could even say, even though an output is cheating, all the inputs are not cheating, so it is a function. So it's a function. There we go. Oh, we jumped the gun here. So it wants me to label all of my inputs. That's been done. Outputs, that's been done. Domain, done. And range, done. Remember, inputs are all my x values. Outputs are all my y values. Domain is the list of all inputs. And range is the list of outputs. Okay? So now they want us to actually list ordered pairs. What exactly is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is when you have an x comma y, and we already know that my inputs are x and my outputs are y, so let's just list these out. So I'm going to have 1 comma negative 1. If you go down this list, I'm just going to have 3 comma 4, 5 comma 4, 7 comma 6. 3 comma 4, 5 comma 4, and 7 comma 6. All right. Down here, to get our full credit, we are going to need to answer our notes. So, who is not allowed to cheat in a function? How can you identify a function? Explain in full sentences. You will need to do this in your own words. Explain in your own words. While you're thinking about your answer there, I think I shall draw you a cat. I'm running out of room on the bottom here. Let's just give him a tail. Woo, boom. And there's going to be our little kitty cat right there. All right, I hope you're having a great break. As always, send me a text if you have questions, and just text us when you're done copying these down, label them well, and text it to me, and I'll add it to your gradebook. Bye.